welcome to a super uncomfortable video for a lot of people, and I get it. We're going to take a look at what this channel earned monetary wise through affiliate links, through the Fab store, through everything that the channel has done, commissions, etc. And it will just be like a year financial review looking back. And the reason I get it is because money is super awkward to talk about for everyone. And I'm just trying to introduce some transparency to the channel. We'll do one of these every year to look back at what we did and see how much money we earn as well. Now, I'm not trying to be boastful. I'm not. The amount isn't crazy, but it's crazy to me. It's crazy to me to think that I could earn the money that we've earned on the channel just by making videos about game dev, which I absolutely love. So that's insane. And I want to thank you from the bottom of my heart for being here for that ride. Whether you've watched something, whether you brought something, whether you've clicked an affiliate link and brought something that you didn't even think would make a difference. It made a difference. Okay, so I super appreciate it, and thank you very much for all your support this year. Let's start with how many videos we've put out. We put out 247 videos, of which they range from about 2 minutes to 6 hours, our longest video. We've managed to include our daughter in probably 5 or 6 of those videos where she's done some voice acting work, and we've had a little fun, and that's been that's made my year to include her in those videos. I think it's such a nice feeling for me and for her, and the reception has been largely positive. That's been wonderful. Shorts wise, we put out 11 shorts. This is probably an area where we lack quite a lot, but it's also an area where I'm not overly fussed either. We've done nearly 30 lives, and those range from playing some video games that a viewer gifted us, live streaming a game in beta, doing some project work for a commission here, which we'll talk about in a bit, and then working on our own game as well, and then just taking a quick look at Mover as well. So there's a wide range of stuff here, and the philosophy behind videos for me has always been, if they help even one person, the video's worth doing. And we're getting crazy numbers on our videos. I think our most watched video is something like 22,000, which is insane to me to think that. Just, yeah. And then the least watched view is 36, which is still insane to me. I wouldn't have thought 10 people would watch a video or one person would watch a video. Like, again, just, yeah, thank you everyone for watching the videos. I think your support has been immense. So that's what we've done. We've also purchased 20 Humble Bundles since we started to be able to review and take a look at, but we didn't start doing sort of affiliate links until probably April this year, maybe. And let's take a look at what we earn from those. So in total, every time someone spends about £27, we get £2.18. And if they spend more, we get more, but it's about 8% in total of what we earn. And currently we're sat on £84.52 waiting to be paid. And from June to July 2025 to 2026, you can see we started getting paid in October. That's what we've earned, £84.52. Now that's not the only place that we get affiliate marketing from. We also do Fanatical as well, and we've made about £30 from that in total, 31 quid. And that is, again, from October to about December, and this works out to be about 5% in total. So not crazy, but still, I get, whenever you click a link and buy something, we're basically Robin Hood, and we take money from Humble Bundle and Fanatical and put it in my pocket for showing you the link. I never understood affiliate marketing, and it's still crazy to me now, but sure, like, money is money, and that's, thank you for choosing to click on my link and buy the product. Like, that's nuts. Okay, Fab. We'll get to Fab. Now, Fab, we've published 15 Fab products. So there's 15 things on the store, which is more than one a month, which is crazy. These range from completely free to $12.99. So we've got 3 assets that are worth money, $1.99, I think this is $5.99 and $12.99, and then the rest of them are free but some do have a pro license that people can buy as well. All of these 4 animations here are free on Pro and Pro Personal because they've been taken from Lyra or Gasp or Epic, and it didn't feel right to charge for them. So what have we made? What's the monetary value of free assets with a few that aren't free? So we got our first sort of sale on the 21st, and since then we've made about $486. So that needs to get converted into UK money, and then as you can see here, Fab takes a cut beforehand as well. Fab takes 12%, which leaves us 88%, so that needs to be taken into account as well on that. But we'll just say that this is what we've earned. It makes no odds or ends to me. So then we did a commission for some work for someone, and we earned £250 for that commission, which was using Gasp, adding some enemies to Gasp, and they all did some moving around as well. And we live streamed the majority of that development so that they could see that we were working on it, and it was just fun to mess around in Gasp to do some work. Had some sponsorships. We took free paid assets for sponsorships. We've got also one that is potentially coming our way as well. Again, we don't really get paid for monetary value on those, we just get the assets for free. So we took the drivable raft and dynamic bonfire, and we did a video on those as well. I've refused a lot of commissions, and I've refused a lot of sponsored videos too, just because they didn't sit right with me. Now, for the main breadth of what you're probably looking for, you're looking for how much did the actual channel earn. So memberships, let's start with memberships. We started our memberships in July, and so far we've earned about £25. This gets rolled up into the whole of YouTube. We've got one person on Patreon, and they pay $2.99 per month as well. So that's awesome. Hopefully that'll grow. If not, that's fine too. Most of our memberships are on either bronze at 99p or gold at $2.99, and they get access to things like project files and videos early as well. We've had some supers, which are people who pay, give us extra money, whether it's on a live stream or just inside the video, and again, those get added to our total earnings. So now what are our total earnings? Now this only goes back for a year, but we didn't get monetized until June anyway. We earned £506.22p in 2025 from the channel. So £506 from there, we'll convert this direct into pounds, 486 into there, that's 900, we'll call that £1,000. Then the 250 from the commission, 1,250, and then we'll round it to 150, but it's not. So total 1,400 into the channel, out from the channel in total. So that's the total. That's what we've earned, about £1,400, not taking into account any taxes or anything like that. And there you have it. Yeah, I'm not trying to boast. I'm not trying to be disingenuous or anything. I'm so happy with the fact that it's earned as much as it's earned, and just through making videos that I would have been making for free anyway. So yeah, earning £506 through just YouTube for a year, it doesn't sound a lot, but it is a lot. Like, that's 500 quid that I didn't have to find somewhere else, that paid for some Christmas, all sorts. So I'm not trying to boast about anything, I'm not trying to be disingenuous. This is what has been earned, and I appreciate the fact that it's there, and I'm in the position to say this is what we've earned. I think that is a tremendous honor, and I will continue to treasure that and hold that in the highest regard. But I don't think there's any words that I can say to put into how grateful I am for everyone's just support and on this insane journey. So thank you from the bottom of my heart again, and I hope that you get absolutely everything that you wish for in the new year and in game dev and just in life in general. Your support has been insane. Have a great day, and we'll catch you in the next one.